I have a circuit I have to minimize. I have an AND gate here with two inputs, with an inverter, and this connects to an OR gate, and beneath that is another input. We'll mark these A, B, and C, and an inverter. So it's a NOR gate now. These two outputs feed into another OR gate, like so. Alright, my job is to minimize this. How do I do this? First, let's label these parts. I have C ANDed with B not. Yes, C is being ANDed with B not on this end. Over on this end, A is knotted before it comes into the OR gate. So here I have A not is being ORed with B, and then the output here is knotted. That's what I have coming into this final OR gate. Let's rewrite this output now. I have C ANDed with B not. I'm going to OR that with A not or B not, A not or B, and the entire output is knotted, like so. Well, according to DeMorgans' theorem, I've got a knot on the output of this expression. I can divide this up at the OR symbol, and this becomes A not not or B not. Well, the two knots cancel themselves out at the same time. I have to change this plus to its opposite, which is an AND. That's going to be ORed together with C and B not. So, look at both of these expressions. We have a common factor, and that's the B not. Let's take that out and ask ourselves a question. B not times what gives me C times B not? The answer is C. I bring down the OR symbol. Next question, B not times what gives me A and B not? And the answer is A. This entire expression has been reduced to B not and C or A. What does that look like? B would be knotted, so you'd need an inverter, and that would be ANDed together with C or A. And that is a simplification of the previous circuit. I have 5 components compared to 1, 2, 3 components here. That's pretty good, I think. And there's our answer. Want to learn more? Subscribe. Then go to udemy.com, buy a super cheap and super great video series called Electronics Master Digital Logic Gates for Beginners. The great thing about that course is when you buy it, any questions that you have on the subject, you can ask those questions right there, and I'll get right back to you. It's a great video series, a super big sale they have, so don't miss this chance. Thanks so much for listening.